Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to give someone access to help manage your Facebook page? In this quick 2-minute video, I will show you how to add an admin or other roles fast and easy. First of all, go to your Facebook page, click on the settings from the right sidebar. If your page uses the new page experience, click on page access. From settings, click page setup, then click page access. From here, click people with Facebook access, then add new, then next, and under people with Facebook access, click add new, then add person, like enter the name or email of the person you want to add. Choose their role like admin, editor, moderator, etc. For full control, select admin. Facebook may ask for your password to confirm the change. Then click send invitation. The people, the person will get a Facebook notification to accept the invite. Once they accept, they will have access to the page based on the role you choose. And that's it. Now you know how to add admins to your Facebook page. Like and subscribe for more quick social media tutorials and drop a comment if you want the full breakdown of all Facebook's rules. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.